What are you doing, Lily? What are you doing? Oops. Lily, what are you doing?
Eating my mouth.
Why are you drinking Santa Claus's milk?
Because I'm drinking my mouth.
But Lily, that's Santa Claus's milk. Lily,
What?
that's Santa Claus's milk.
Oh, come on, shush up. What?
What do you say?
Sorry.
That's right.
We can't say shut up. Or we can't say stupid. Or we can't say bad news.
Alright, I'm getting started.
Mark, I'm recording this. Be quiet. You just totally ruined that. What else can't you say, Lily?
Sorry. Sorry.
That's what you should say, huh?
Yeah.
Say Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Are you stealing from Santa Mouse now?
Yeah.
That's a neef. Say love you.
I love you.
Good night.
I'm